Welcome to Boston Children's at Brookline Place. I think when kids come to a clinic, they might be nervous or scared. Our whole design premise is to take down that anxiety for kids.
During the design, we went to the Family Advisory Council, we went to the Autism Spectrum Family Council, and the Psychiatry Family Council. We were able to bring a few theme ideas for the building. The theme that was selected was called The Amazing You. This was a really unique way to celebrate the patient population that was coming here. The key graphic is really the thumbprint, which shows up down in the main lobby and a few other locations.
We wanted to try to figure out a way to have the kids interact with the artwork instead of just having a piece of artwork and going, oh wow, that's really lovely. We wanted to create images and scenes where kids can actually take a picture, take a moment. And all of these moments just allow the kids to pretend that they are not at a clinic and actually have a little fun.
The graphics that you'll see in the corridors are strategically placed, and what it does is it provides a nice low-tech, low-touch, interactive way to find your way down these very large floor plates.
I think this project will be successful if we can see the families are able to find where they need to go. If the doctors, the nurses, the researchers, the staff come and say, we love the spaces you've created for us, they're so functional, but yet they give us a break during the day when we need it.